Hey, what's up guys? Thatguyanth here. I'm on a three vid streak, and today we're gonna clean this thing up because it kinda needs it. So basically what we're gonna be doing today, 2-bucket method, sponges, brushes, all that, white letter cleaner, and gonna be cleaning or using soap is McGuire's Gold Glass. I always know McGuire's, loved it, used it all my life, and great I can finally use it on my own vehicle. So yeah, I use Black Magic bleach white on the white letters to keep them looking squeaky and brand new clean. That made no sense, but who cares? Basically what you do is you don't wet the tires, just kind of squirt it, let it sit for a second, go get the other tire. I hope I'm getting this. And you get knuckle brush, whether it be big or small. And, well, first, I'm going to clean this thing out because I don't know if this one's actually clean or not. Got this all clean now. Now it's time to scrub. And I can't do this with one holding my phone and one holding a knuckle brush. So, cut back after I scrub it or whatever. Okay, now that we're done scrubbing the white letters, now I gotta clean off the wheels, clean off the tires, rinse them all off, then we'll be good. Tires, they look awesome. And now, on the wash clip, I'm not gonna get the paint just yet. What I'm actually gonna go do is I'm gonna hit the other side with some white letter cleaner. Okay, so now that we're done with all the tires and wheels, we can finally get onto the paint, and honestly, this looks so much better already, is what I'm thinking. But it's these headlights, this bumper, that would really push this thing to be perfect. So, already washed this side off camera because I just wouldn't think you guys would find that interesting. Used McGuire's Gold Glass, same as the wheels, different sponge, different, you know. Basically, what I did for the first time is washed with this, then I washed with the sponge after to miss the spots where this got, or missed, whatever. And basically, after hit this side, I'm going to hit the front, the grill, and onto the right side because, yeah. With the Sonoma, it's all clean now, and honestly, it looks amazing, and I'm proud of how it turned out. It's my first time washing it with the new wheels, so those look extra great, I think. And sorry for skipping around a lot. I just couldn't figure out a way to set up my camera so it would record me, and hyperlapse wasn't working, so couldn't really time-lapse this. So, yeah, thank you guys once again for tuning in this week's episode. And like, subscribe, comment, and follow me on Instagram. And thank you all for watching this video. Have a great day.